Welcome to the Commonwealth Health System Total Rewards Miners Medical Center Pension Plan Distribution Tutorial. This presentation will help you understand your disbursement options, the process, and the necessary forms required. The Internal Revenue Service has notified Commonwealth Health System of their favorable determination decision. This decision essentially gives us permission to begin the distribution of benefits to all eligible participants, with a goal of completely terminating the plan later this year. Please note that this decision and notification applies only to the Miners Hospital Plan. It does not include the Memorial Medical Center Cash Balance Plan. There are strict rules surrounding the payment of plan benefits. Therefore, all decisions and appropriate paperwork must be received in Human Resources by April 30th, 2016. If not received by the deadline, a deferred annuity will be purchased from an insurance company to pay for your future benefit. By now, you should have received a personalized packet which contains customized benefit information. The rest of this video will walk you through the forms and the options available to you at this time. Depending on your age and service at Miners Medical Center, your distribution options will be appropriate to you in the individualized packet you received. There are several options available to you for disbursement of your funds, and we will review them in more detail as we walk through the election forms. Should you have specific financial and/or tax concerns, please consult a professional advisor. Now let's review the application for retirement benefits form found in your packet. Page 1 of the form contains personal information for both the participant and, if applicable, any spousal information. Please review sections A and B for accuracy. If information needs to be corrected, please draw a line through the information, make the correction, and initial and date by the correction. If your date of birth or your spouse's date of birth is incorrect on the form, please contact Human Resources immediately. Benefit calculations are based on these dates and will need to be recalculated. Sign and date Section C Participant Certification on page 2 of the form. This verifies that sections A and B are correct, including any corrections you may have made. You also acknowledge receipt of the Your Rollover options from the plan administrator, which is included in your packet. Section D of the form contains the benefit payment options available to you. Again, depending on your age and service at Miners Medical Center, your distribution options will be appropriate to you in the individualized packet you received. Please review the benefit definitions, which is included in your individualized packet. In addition to these benefit options, you also have the option of rolling your funds into another qualified plan, which we will discuss later in the form. Please sign and date the form at the end of Section D on page 4. If you are married, depending on the benefit option you've selected, a spousal signature may be required and must be witnessed by a plan administrator or a notary. Section E of the form on page 5 is only required if you designate somebody other than your spouse as the beneficiary of your benefit. If you are married, spousal signature will be required. Section E of the form does not need to be completed if you've selected a deferred payment option, a lump sum option, life annuity option, or if your spouse is the beneficiary on any other option selected. Section F of the form, found on page 6, must be completed by single participants. For married participants, selection of the life annuity, the guaranteed monthly payment option, the one-time lump sum option, or a contingent annuity option requires the spouse to complete Section G of the form. Spousal signature must be witnessed by an authorized plan administrator or a notary. Participants who elect a lump sum or rollover to another qualified plan must complete Section J, which is found on pages 10 and 11 of the form. A signature is required at the end of the section on page 11. If you choose not to use a notary service, plan administrators will be available at Human Resources sessions to be scheduled over the next few weeks. Please check your email for dates and times. Completed forms can be turned in at any Human Resources session, can be sent via inter-office mail, attention the Benefits Department, or be sent via postal mail at the address listed on the slide, which is also available in your packet of information. Please direct any questions to the Commonwealth Health System Benefits line at 814-534-9114, option 2. Thank you.